Talent Search Cymru is back.
May God bless and keep you always. May your wishes all come true. May you always do for others and let others do for you. May you build a ladder to the stars and climb everyone. May you stay forever young. May you stay forever young. May you grow to be righteous. May you grow to be true. May you always know the truth. See the light surrounding you. May you always be courageous. Stand upright and be strong. May you stay forever. May you stay forever. Forever
Wow, Lily, you fought then, girl. Whew, you right?
Yeah.
Zoe, what did you think of Lily's version of the winning song?
We've got to make this decision in a minute, guys. I know. You've made, like, both of you, KD Vibes and you've made our decision so hard tonight, like, honestly. I love the a cappella start, that was beautiful. We really got to hear, like, the stunning tone you have and the country twang. The light and shade in that was spot on. I love the build, the power, the control. It was just so immense. It was absolutely pitch perfect, if I do say so myself, and I just thoroughly enjoyed it. Well done.
Thank you.
Emma, what did you think of Lily's performance?
Yeah, I love your dress as well. I really love the dress. As soon as you came out wearing a dress, thank you. A cappella, I absolutely love that. When people sing a cappella, it leaves them really like quite vulnerable. And it is a big risk to take, but it's the right risk to take, and especially at the right time in this competition, and it definitely paid off for you. You've got such composure and control when you perform, and when, like, to watch you is quite captivating at times. And again, you gave, like the act before you, so much fight to that song, and I love that both versions were so different, even though that makes the decision more difficult, because you're judging two very different acts. Both of you have given so much fight and so much to this competition, and as I said to KD Vibes, you've ended on, obviously I've only been here tonight, but on what I think must be one of your strongest performances of this whole season, so congratulations, whatever happens.
Kelly, what did you think of the version?
That was such a breathtaking vocal, it really was. I agree with everything the girl said about the a cappella, and I particularly loved the fact that you had those low breathy tones at the beginning. But then when you built and you started pushing, I felt that. There was so much emotion in that vocal, and there was so many emotions in that vocal that you really took us on a journey with that song. It was absolutely stunning, absolutely amazing. Well done.
Ryan, what did you think?
Like Zoe said, you were going to make this very hard for us to vote on this when we go out in a sec. but honestly, that was absolutely sensational. It blew me away. It's crazy to think that was the same song. They're so different with the acts, but it was absolutely stunning what you did. It got to show off your power and how powerful your voice is, and the great control you have with your voice as well. Hello, 1, 2. And when the song built and you really gave it that really powerful note, I had goosebumps go through my head to my toe. It was absolutely amazing. You should be really, really proud of yourself. Well done.
Lily, I mean, the versions were very different. Like, I'm sure everyone can agree they sounded like complete different songs. What I feel like you did then was not only did you come out and fight for that title, because that's exactly what I saw then, was you saying, do you know what, I'm going to give it everything I got in my body and soul. But you added so much meaning to the words of that song, and I felt every word. It sounded very Lily's. It had that country spin to it, but it had that gospely, soulful spin to it. It was perfect for you. And I said during the first half, and I'll say it again, you know, like, this season's been incredible, and I'm so proud of everyone that's done, that's taken part this season and making it what it is. But I'll say it again because I said it in the first half. To me, this is rare. We don't find diamonds like you often. You are a diamond, and this is rare for us. Well done. Round of applause for you guys.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.